I'm feeling pretty good this week. Ready for a good week of trading. We are 7 minutes from the equity open, and I'm watching a Shaolin master video where he's talking about challenges. Ooh, look at this run up to 12. Kind of want to try this for a short. Never mind. Let's just analyze this a little bit. My thinking is we run up for the week. We have a few green days and then another dump to new lows. That's what I'm anticipating this week. So I'm generally going to be bullish. I'm going to try a little short here if we get under 98s.
You need to overcome it. Your next level of development comes in the moment where level 1 is solved. You found a solution for level 1. Now, challenge number 2. Next level. As long as you don't find the key for level number 2, stay there. Many years repeating over and over again until you see it. If everybody would have the ability to bring out the self-discipline, you don't need disciplinary masters. Meaning you don't need a monastery also that takes care that you are keeping that external rules and the external structure. But like for example today, all the young guys that came, if they would already be so self-disciplined that they know exactly what they can do, what they cannot do, if they want to achieve something that they just focus on that, if they knew all of these things, well then they don't need this monastery anymore. But the point is that no human being, or a few, let's say, or very little, it's difficult sometimes if you are surrounded with different environments to always remind yourself back again. What is the state of being to keep on walking? And therefore, if it is not existing in the beginning coming from yourself, that's why we need sometimes external support. And the same goes for the question if somebody finds himself in that place of darkness. Either you find a way that you can find some light in there and then make it shine brighter from day to day.
The short's not really playing out so far. 3 minutes.
Thank you for watching this.
3 minutes until the equity open. I don't know if you guys heard that. That was pretty cool. His YouTube channel is called the Mulligan Brothers. I think I've heard of them before. They've got a lot of motivational stuff. All right, I don't think this short's working out. It's a pretty slow morning. I think there's one report that's coming out, or it might have already came out. Let me take a quick look here. No, it's coming out at 3 o'clock Eastern. Consumer credit is going to come out. Trading impact is low on that. Yeah, I figured this might be rallying. Kind of want to flip at this point since I'm kind of long in the short term for this week anyway. Oh, my entry is from 95. Interesting. I'm going to go ahead and add another one here. So I had just gotten stopped out at 01s. And it was just a little too tight, I guess. But if we get up to 03s, I'm going to get out of both, I think. So goal for today is to practice longer term holds, and by proxy, that should get my trade count down. Kind of a good day to practice because there's going to be, I think, very little volatility today. Yeah, I figure this is going to pop. I'm going to flip if we go over 375. Do I think we're going to new highs? We already are at new highs. Is there any resistance up here? Kinda, I mean the Bolly bands. 30 seconds until equity opens. I'm going to reduce the size here, I think. Or I'll just make my stop wider. 5 seconds. Let's see what happens here. I'm just going to load up to the long side since we're going high. Oh shit. Whoa. Totally didn't mean to zoom. Oh man, these controls are whack. Yikes. Let's get in long again. Ugh. Very ugly so far. So I had a run up to 22, but didn't have any take profits there. Yeah, volatility to the upside. Should be choppy but grindy, but that's my thinking is we just go and grind up. Okay. Just gonna go ahead and get out for a quick little winner there. Once again, should have stayed in it. 23. Coming back down. Let's see if we can get over. Let's get long over 10s. Bouncing off of 10s. But a stop under 7, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and add to it. Long 2 from 17. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and get long 3. Put my stop down here. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of 1 there for like 5 points. I still think we're gonna grind all day. Okay, looks good. Let me get out of another one, so I'm only in 1 now. And I don't want to make less than $20 on it. Oh, nice. Should have held all 4. All right, I'll go ahead and get out there. If we get over 42, I'll get into another one. Cool. I'll hold it over 38s. I'll hold it over. I just got stopped out there. For 11. Let's try again. 42s. Seems like it likes it. Nope. Stopped out twice. I've already made like, I think 10 trades or something, so I'm going to just watch this for a bit and look for a good opportunity. That looks like a good 25 bounce. Came down to 19s. Let's just watch this for a minute. Okay. That looked like a push down to 31s. That was cool. I'm going to go ahead and get long over that 31s. It's acting just a little too bullish, so, or I guess I should say it's acting good and bullish. And Let me move this stop down just a little. Stopped out there for 16 that time. Just out of curiosity, what are we at? Oh, we're down 52. Huh. I missed a bounce of 22s. Let's look at the 5. Oh man. How many trades do we have today already? 14. Already too many. Coming into Monday. Guns blazing. That was an under 40 bounce. What do we got here? 6s, 5s. Is there really any support down here at 5s? I don't think so. It looks like support's down at 85 level, if anything. Look at this massive wick. It's about to close here in 30 seconds, so huge wick. Maybe in the last 20 seconds here, it'll actually try to fill it. Ten seconds. Yeah, looks like it's going to give it a shot. Okay, 5 minutes closed. Got long over 25s here. Actually over 20s. Choppy day today. Definitely a day to stay off the keys. So had made 15 and then lost 12, but with fees, that's probably quite similar. All right, let's try a short under 20s. Here we are at the bottom-ish, kind of. Just gonna make this a free trade. Let's try one more time. Just gonna take small scalps today. If I do that though, then I'm definitely gonna be trading quite a lot of contracts. Wow, I can't believe I only took 150 out of that. Why did I get out of that so early? My goodness. Here I am entering it at the absolute low. From 96. Put my stop up here at 11. That was a really bad trade. 150. That's so strange. Got at the absolute top almost. All right, let's set a slightly wider stop this time. Short from O2s. See if I can add to this. I think this will bounce at like 85s or something. Super choppy today. Oh man. I guess we can hold under 15s. This is already a little too much. Mondays are notoriously tough. I really need to slow down. 5 bounce. No 5 bounce. Good. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of 1. So I don't want to be holding 2 contracts that far against me again. Let's see. I think we're being rejected off of the 250 level because of that wick. Let's see, my thinking is still that it's going to be a grind day. Like we're just going to grind up. So in that vein, I will flip and, oh, already down over 100. 7 minutes in, 8 minutes in. Honestly, I'm kind of grasping at straws here, so I should really lighten up as far as how many trades I'm taking. I'm getting the absolute opposite sides of this right now. It's definitely a counter trend environment right now, whereas I do a lot better in trendy environments. So, okay, here is where I would typically buy some more. So I'm gonna go ahead and add. Average price is 09. Okay, so I think this will take quite a bit of time to resolve. 33 on the money. Looking pretty good so far. For 25 bucks. Okay, I'll get out of one up here. Got out of one for roughly $30. And this one I will get out for no less than 20. Choppy morning, man. Look at this. So choppy. Slow. Volume's kind of low. Had more volume pre-market than we have now. Look at this. From that report. Came down to 15s but didn't break it. It makes me want to get long. Once again, it's not a trendy environment, so got to be really, really careful here. I think it should retest the low or highs up at 40s. It's just a lot of wicks is all. Not liking this price action at all. Not fun. Down to 9s or 10s. Let's try it again. Over 15 since we had kind of a confident bounce there at 8s. Hold us over 15s. It's really choppy. Okay. It's trying to push up a little bit. Wicks to the downside and upside. Definitely just looks like someone's buying a lot today. Did I even put my stop in? I didn't. I'm gonna put it down here at 13s. Get long another one. Okay, just got burned pretty bad. Am I still down 100? Yeah, I am. Down to O's. Very counter trend day. This is good practice though. I'm pretty bad at counter trending. So for counter trending, we should be loading up on a short here. I don't know. Let's do it. So we're short. We're gonna be short under 20s. And the point is to counter trend. Trend is up, kinda, just barely. Just had a big wick to the downside last 5-minute candle though. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and flip one more time. That was such a deep drop, though. I'm just gonna put this up here for right now. We'll take profit 5 points in. All right. And then this one I'll put a break even, I guess. So I think what I should focus on doing is only buying or selling at these when we touch a Bolly band, like right here. Great spot to get out. Okay, so that was 34, not too bad. See, like right here, what I would normally do is try to, what I'm doing right now, which is like trend trading. Adding another one here. Looking good. Cool. Got out of one there. Looking pretty good. Alright, just got out of the other one. It was only 16. That's weird. That was more than that. Alright, it's holding over 55s. Okay, never mind. Okay, back over 55s. That was a low of like 52, I think. 6 point stop here. Let's see what happens. Adding. Stop at 54. It seems like it's really struggling. Yeah, that was a good prediction that it was struggling. Do want to hold to like 85s ideally. So we're in the money. Really have no reason to get out unless it gets to our price. $10, $12. It just looks like it's losing gas. 5 point trailing stop. Out in the short actually too. Didn't mean to, but it worked out. Bounced right off of 50 there, pretty well actually. Go ahead and get long over, I'm gonna say 55. It is topping out, or it's acting like it's topping out. Volume picked up a little bit. It's a good sign. Might be the last of the buying though. I'm just gonna get out. Not feeling too good about it. We got over 62.75s. I don't know. It's not really a good spot to be long. Okay, we'll hold this over 55. Cool. Let's go ahead and just put a exit here at 84s. So far so good. I'm gonna put a trailing stop in and get out like a coward. That was decent though, 22 bucks. Came up to 76 right on the dot almost. I'm gonna get long over 65s now. Fairly tight. Kind of a bad entry, honestly. Make it over 67s instead because it's such a bad entry. Wow, we got 10 minutes until we're done. It is a grind up, just as I predicted, but didn't sit in any real trades. If we get a dip, I might just add, honestly. Just making this break even because I don't want to take the heat. I'd rather just make, $3 or whatever. Okay, looks like it's bouncing off 75s to the upside. It's the moment of truth right here, 85s. I'm gonna get out. Should have had a take profit up there. 71 to 77s, 6 points. Should be talking about these in points instead of dollars. That would really help. Okay, looks like 75 might hold. I'm just going to put a stop here at 72, 75. Oops. Okay, getting back in. Stop was too tight, it seems. I'm gonna buy it down to 70s. RSI is really overbought though. And we're seeing some bearish divergence. So I'm actually gonna move this up. Move this up to 73.50. And I'm just gonna buy another one here. 85s might be being respected to the downside. It might be bouncing off 85s. It might be. So I'm just going to get out of everything. That was a really good touch. Let's see. That was a really good touch. This is going to be really short term. Short that I'm trying here. Target of 65s. Nope. Still grinding up. 8 minutes left. We're only down 46. It's not too bad. Let's try an 85 bounce. Okay. Looks like it did bounce. So we're only in one. Let's get in two. See if I can put get one out of here at 98s. I'll get out of one for like $3 there. And the other one, just gotta be patient here. Cool. 20 bucks. 10 points roughly. But yeah, that other one I should have been holding and then just leaving on at this point. Great run. Now, how high would this go is the question. It's a pretty strong hourly. Same thing as here, perhaps. Another 100 points, maybe. Well, I don't know about that. Okay, might be a bounce off 95s here. Let's give it a little room. Looking good so far. I'll go ahead and buy another one. If we get over 01s, ooh, had to get out there. Scratch. Wish I can get that display to show me in points rather than dollars. Is that an 85 touch? It was. Play the 85s then. Let's do 82.75s. I'm gonna go ahead and add again. Nice. I'm gonna add a one up here. The other one I'm just gonna put for break even. Actually, I could put it down under 85s. It's not a huge deal. Okay, we're at 95s now. Alright, now I'll put it at break even. I'm gonna practice holding here. Considered adding there. I'm gonna do it. Alright. Oh man. As soon as I added, we had a nice little flush. I mean, not for me nice, but from 96. I'll stop at 90. I'm gonna add to it since we're just under it. I'll get out for a tiny winner. And the other one I will hold. '94s, huh? Let's see what we got. Seems like it's respecting O's, honestly. But will it respect 95 more? That stop probably should have been moved up to make it break even. Is that another 85 touch? Let's trade over 85s. Rather than, I should be waiting for the actual 85 touch. It didn't even come down to 85s. No volatility right now, Doesn't seem like there's very much. Let me get long a little bit more. If I can get in. Okay, I'm in two. Need some kind of resolution to this trade idea. I'm just gonna not lose money. 95 touch. Not a very good one. Whoa, what the hell? Wow, how did I... got stopped out. And it just like shot up like crazy. Nah, let's make this a little lower. Tough day to trade for sure. Down 41, not the end of the world. In terms of points, that's what, 20 points? 95 bounce possible here. Let's get long. Whoops. Really tight stop here. Just going to add to it. It looks good so far. Add another one. And let's put a stop up at 950 here. Or a take profit, I should say. Okay, cool. I'm just going to get out of all of them. Could be an 05 bounce here. Let's play the 05 bounce. Between 10s and 5s. Strong push there. Nice. Put a stop at 15s now. Stopped out. Almost, actually that's not even 10 points. Okay, let's get long over 15s because it's shown some strength. Stop at 1275. Doesn't seem like it's doing what I want. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. Went under 15s for a second. If we get back over it, I'll get long. 14s is the low, 13s is a low. Alright, let's try that again. 1275. Okay, I can get long one more. Nope. I think I'm back down to 40. Oh, I was actually positive there on the day. Still looks like it's got support at 15s. Just kind of shaking me out though. Yeah. 8 bucks. Alright, let's see what we got. It's 9 o'clock technically when we should be stopping. 10 bounce. 10 bounce is possible. Oh, not happening. What about a 5 bounce? Okay, 5 bounce looks more likely. Let's put a stop under the 5s then. If we get back into that range, I'll go ahead and buy more. Okay. Stopped out. Definitely overbought on the 5, so we barely got stopped out right at the low. Stop was too tight there. I'm gonna go ahead and add to this. I know it's like right at the high and everything, but that was a strong push. Still X, still seems bullish to me. Yeah, I'm gonna add another one. In 3 now. Just need to wait. Patience. We'll have it out at 24s. I have a feeling it's gonna break. What was that up to? 23s? Got out of one there. I'm only in one now. I'm gonna hold this one. Target for this one will be 35s. Got stopped out. Okay, getting long over 15s. I'm gonna go ahead and add to it. It's just too noisy right now. It's really hard to trade. Maybe I'm just too impatient. Maybe that's it. Hmm. Down 14. Scratch day today. I think I'm gonna be done here. If I get down under negative 20, I'll stop for the day. Does seem like it's meeting resistance. Is there anything up here? Nope. Should be good to keep going. Kind of an engulfing candle, but it just started. So yeah, let's get long two. Get out of one for a quick scalp. For 3 points. Hey, 3 points is 3 points. Oh, I didn't mean to set that so close. Five-point stop on the 17 entry. Totally got hit. So yeah, trying to long this whole time up here and getting smoked. Not smoked, but getting chopped up. Trailing stop entry at 15.25s. Wonder if it's worth it to get long at all. Yeah, I mean, these longs. I think my longest hold today is pretty low. 5 minutes almost. Definitely need to get those numbers up though. Long 16s because we had a decent bounce there off 5s. Um, hmm. Dip to 13s. 2 minutes left. Well, 1 minute 30 left in this. No, 2 minutes 30 left in this 5-minute candle. Hard to tell what it's doing, but if that's what I think, then I shouldn't be in this trade. An entry was in anticipation of a breakout. Oh, that's it then. Done for the day, unfortunately. Down 30. Yeah, that's okay. Scratch day. Gross, I was up. So once again, man, high number of trade counts. I think I have to force myself to get, like, do no more than 10 trades. It's going to be really boring, but it's going to teach me to not get chopped up and not, like the fees. Look at this. Look at how many fees I'm eating up here. So yeah, I gotta, let me see. I'm not going to trade anymore. So let me just download the trades from today. We'll do a save of that as a CSV. And I'm also going to take a picture or a screenshot. Looks like we're down to O's. Yeah, see, I should have considered flipping there and was just being kind of stubborn and hopeful, maybe, smoking hopium. Okay, let's go ahead and switch to review mode. Boom. All right, what do we got today? Today, we're going to add these trades. All right. See, the gross is, I'm going to fix this fee structure so that it's a little bit more accurate, because today's technically down a little bit, but it's making it look like I made money, you know. On the gross, I did, but the trade count is just really way too high. Ooh. What's going on? I can't see images now. That was interesting. Huh. Let me try pasting another one. I will try pasting another image here from the chart. Actually, this 5-minute chart's great. So, taking a quick screenshot of the 5-minute chart. Yeah, I just pasted that. Interesting. That's a weird bug. Huh. But then when you refresh, they're there. Interesting to resolve that. That's not a good sign. Okay, so chopped up today. Light price action off the open, which was kind of expected considering there's no reports this morning. Completely failed at not over trading. I need to push the there's a metric table that's on the it's going to be pushed here soon, so that'll be nice to see. But just at a glance here, we're looking at longest hold time was probably that 4-minute one, right? And that was pre-market again. Yeah. So longest regular trading hour trade was 2 minutes. Not even. Yeah, it was less than 2 minutes. So this week we're going to practice with wider stops. Practicing with wider stops and less than 10 trades per day this week, starting tomorrow. Let's save that note. What else do I have to say about today? Came into the trading day like a bit anxious, but nothing I couldn't handle. Got chopped up today, light price action off the open, which was kind of expected considering there's no reports this morning. Completely failed at not over trading. Longest regular trading hour trade was less than 2 minutes. Practicing with wider stops and less than 10 trades per trade this week starting tomorrow. Yeah, so today's more of a wash. You know, down 33 or whatever is not at the end of the world. And yeah, so I think that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and kill the stream, guys. Looks like that's slowly retracing from those highs that I kept trying to long at. So tomorrow I'll give it another shot. For the rest of the day, I'm kind of just doing other work. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Trade safe and do well. And if you want a Trader Grow account, let me know. Comment below.